Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to Mad Hatter's Day. And today I am part of a collaboration with other wonderful Mad Hatters, creating a tea party just for you, and sharing the final reveal of some of my DIYs from yesterday. So go down the rabbit hole with me. Our host for this collaboration is Antonette of Antonette's Decorating. She has marvelous ideas for fall and Halloween, and I'm sure Christmas will be a delight. We're together with other Mad Hatters celebrating International Mad Hatters Day, so I hope you check out the playlist for more wonderful ideas. I thought it was fitting to read some excerpts from Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland, so grab a cup of tea and join me for the Mad Hatters Tea Party. A mad tea party. There was a table set out under a tree in front of the house, and the March Hare and the Hatter were having tea at it. A dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep, and the other two were using it as a cushion, resting their elbows on it and talking over its head. Very uncomfortable for the dormouse, thought Alice. Only as it's asleep, I suppose it doesn't mind. The table was a large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner of it. No room, they cried out when they saw Alice coming. But there's plenty of room, said Alice indignantly, as she sat down in a large armchair at the end of the table. Have some wine, the March Hare said in an encouraging tone. Alice looked all around the table, but there was nothing on it but tea. I don't see any wine, she remarked. There isn't any, said the March Hare. Then it wasn't very civil of you to offer it, said Alice angrily. Well, it wasn't very civil of you to sit down without being invited, said the March Hare. I didn't know it was your table, said Alice. It's laid for a great many more than three. I chose to set up my vignette here on the buffet of my dining room, and here for the little dormouse I made his own little table and chair, and it also includes some snacks, and a little door for Alice to come and visit him. Another one of my DIYs from yesterday that if you'd like, you can check out the full video, but here's a sampling. I created a card rose, I guess, a plain card rose, and using just a simple dollar store pack of, playing cards, I made this beautiful rose, and I'm very, very proud of it, and I hope you try to make it yourself, and for better instructions, please check out my DIY video from yesterday. In addition to that, I also made this little topiary, which I thought would be perfect representing the Queen's Garden. And here is a thrifted or found item that I upcycled, that I found in the garbage actually, and I've cleaned it up and fixed it up, and here it is representing the Queen. And my pumpkin turned teapot. Yes, this is one of those Dollar Tree pumpkins, and if you'd like, check out the link to see how I made this live with the Crafting Cousins. If you haven't met the Crafting Cousins, you must check out their channel. I'll have a link for them below. And I sat in for one of the Crafting Cousins, Kay, and crafted alongside Trish as we used Dollar Tree pumpkins to make unusual items. And I thought how perfect to use a pumpkin for a teapot, yes, for this wonderful Mad Hatters collaboration. In addition, I also have made this in the past live, last year actually, for another tea setting. And here is something absolutely beautiful made by my friend Lizzie Snowbright. Look at this detail, just absolutely incredible and so perfect for an Alice in Wonderland tea setting, don't you think? But not only that, she also created this lovely little Alice in Wonderland teacup, which I also put on my Christmas tree every year. Thank you, Lizzie. Now, I had found these salt and pepper shakers, believe it or not. They were $1 each, and they're perfect for Tweedledee and Tweedledum. That's what they remind me of, actually. Here's another item that I added to my vignette in the Alice in Wonderland style, and this was created during a live. And again, this was created with Dollar Tree items to look like high-end Mackenzie Childs decor. And as you can see, it was all Dollar Tree items and, of course, the paper that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And here's the end result as I add it to my vignette. And, of course, I needed to have something represent the Queen. So here is a beautiful queenly representation with this metal crown. Once again, this Mad Hatter's collaboration is being hosted by my dear friend Antonette of Antonette's Decorating. Please check out the playlist for more Mad Hatter tea setting ideas.
Yes, beware when you give your heart away to someone. Or actually, when someone like me steals your heart away. Although for me, this is a pretty good sign for Valentine's Day too. But
yes, besides the Mad Hatter, I've also dressed up as the Red Queen, and that was for Valentine's Day, using Halloween items to make Valentine's Day projects. So here I'm adding a large candlestick because I do have one more item that, if I were to put it on the table, would overpower everything else. And here is a sneak peek of how I made this. This is one of the DIYs that I made yesterday as part of the Chic for Cheap challenge. And this is a tree topper that I had seen on Etsy for around $100 or more, and I decided to create my own. And I dare say it came out pretty good. So if you get a chance, please check out how I went through each one of these steps to create my last addition to my table setting for Alice in Wonderland. And here it is. There it is in all its glory. Now, I did want to add an edging of gold, and I still might tweak it a little more. But for right now, I think it's perfect for this setting. And as you can see, it's also perfect for any tree topper. I think it's a perfect addition for any Alice in Wonderland themed room, tea party, what have you. And here is the full result of my setting. Still had to add a few macaroons, those of which I made are faux macaroons. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you check out the rest of the playlist for today's Mad Hatter's Tea Challenge. Thank you once again to our host Antonette of Antonette's Decorating. Please check out our channel, and thank you for the invitation. I always like to say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. See you soon.